welcome to this Sunday night for Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. Going to do a narrated video. I've been kind of busy the last couple of weeks. Got a Delta 757 and an A330 over there getting ready to depart soon for the Los Angeles Chargers. Thank you all so much for being here tonight. JetBlue 1341 heading to Boston, a Embraer E190. Just had the time change last night. It's dark around 5 o'clock now. But it's a gorgeous evening up here. Not too cold yet. Hard to believe we're already in November here in Cleveland, Ohio. Delta Connection 4039 heading to Detroit. It's going to do a live stream today, but we ended up finding a rat in our kitchen last night, which is never fun. Spent the day cleaning, looking for any place that could get in and setting traps. Here's the LA Chargers A330 getting ready to head out, leaving more or less on time today. Surprisingly, a pretty noisy airplane. I've been able to hear it idling way over here.
Cleveland clearance. There is a 1 time 26. If you don't make that, I don't know where the delay is.
26, already on the paper, but we're gonna shoot through Africa, 4513.
Alright, compass current, call down when you're ready.
Papa, is it at the Cleveland? We'll call more through that.
We might have dueling heavy jets here. Delta Airlines 8865 Airbus A330 getting ready to head back to LAX on runway 6 right. Meanwhile, on runway 6 left, we're going to have UPS 5442, a 767 out of Louisville. I think we'll go ahead and stick with the A330 here as they are on their takeoff roll. Meanwhile, over here on 6 left, UPS 5442, the 767 touching down. A couple of heavy jets back to back here at Hopkins Airport tonight.
$625, tower 1, 4.5.
UPS gone over to their ramp. This aircraft will be heading out tonight around 9:30 or so. I believe they still take off tonight. I have to look at the schedule. Got Frontier heading out. I was wrong. There is no outbound UPS tonight, so that aircraft will be leaving tomorrow. Definitely getting that time of year though. We'll see some more cargo flights as we get closer to the holiday shopping season. Hard to believe that's only about, what, 7-8 weeks away now? Should be United Airlines 631 heading to San Francisco. I'm not sure I've ever seen an airplane not clear the building before departure on this side. Long takeoff roll for United tonight. Then we got a couple of more United flights coming in. We got one that just came in here on 6 left. Meanwhile, in the background, flight 1673 heading to Chicago O'Hare. See, this one clears the building. Frontier 1546 heading to Fort Myers. American Eagle heading to JFK. Another American Eagle, I think it's flight 4315. Might be 4513. They're heading to LaGuardia. E175. Southwest Airlines 2123 should be a 737 MAX on its way to Denver. Alright, everyone, I know that was pretty short and sweet tonight, but we got to get home and get some work done before going back to work tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Try to get up here again tomorrow to do some spotting. I want to do a live stream as soon as possible as well. Fortunately, we had the time change. It's a little bit more difficult now with work, but we'll do the best we can. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below, comment down below, share with all of your friends. Follow me on social media at Nick Flies Media on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you haven't done so, just check out some of the other videos on there. We got some B-17 stuff. By the way, it's Flying Fortresses, plural, Flying Fortresses. A lot of comments saying, oh, the video is misleading. There's more than one. Quite aware that there's more than one. There's only 3 in the U.S., though. It sounds like movie Memphis Belle should be flying again pretty soon, which will bring us back up to 3 with the sale of Yankee Lady, which was flown to Oregon a couple of weeks ago, or about a week or so ago now. So make sure you check those out. Got the Chicago stuff posted. Got some more Cleveland stuff to post. So make sure you check those out as well. We'll try to get up here again tomorrow. If not, definitely at some point this week to do some more spotting, and definitely next weekend. So we'll catch you next time. Hope you guys have a great night, and we'll see you next time from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. Have a great night, everybody.